Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we have an unboxing of the brand new Series 6 Apple Watch. Now, this bad boy is going to look absolutely amazing. Now, currently I'm rocking the Apple Watch Series 5, so it's only a +1 upgrade in all honesty. But still, very, very awesome. Like I said, currently rocking this bad boy right here, which is the Series 5, which I still love. I still think it's amazing, but you know what, guys? It's Christmas. We've upgraded. We've gotten better. So let's see what we got out of this one. Let's go ahead and open up the little tabs. Bam. And let's see what's inside. All right. So unboxing a little bit different than the Series 5. Looks like we have... Okay, so we have the wristband, which is actually... This one right here, absolutely gorgeous. Unbox that real fast. Take a look at the wristband, because the wristband, I usually go with the default wristband, whatever Apple comes with. But to be honest, I want to change it up this year, you know? Get a little better wristband. Change that up. Because this one actually looks absolutely gorgeous. And let me make sure I can actually get it out of here. Got that metal. Metal, aluminum, I think? Yeah, this is aluminum. But it, obviously, you can see it's gorgeous, and it's say Velcro, but it's what's it called? It's not Velcro, but I can't think of the thing. It was six together. Can't think of the name right now, but you can see. Bam, gorgeous. And now we have the Apple Watch, which you can probably guess, as you can see, is in gold. So you kind of had to guess that, man. You kind of had to guess that. Okay. Gonna open this up. So we get the Apple Watch. It's right here on the right-hand side. And that's going to just slide out. I was about to say, yep. Okay. I can slide this out, bro. It's a rough day, man. Okay. There we go. Hopefully. There we are. There we are. So, this is the bad boy right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Already fingerprints, man. But, absolutely gorgeous. And outside of that, in the box, like always, you get the charger. And that's it. Because Apple's done with giving you any kind of accessories outside of the charger. No more power bricks. No more power bricks, which I know they've said eco-friendly. It also helps cut down with cost. So, I understand. Okay. So, I don't want to put this on incorrectly. I probably will. Oh, crap. Yeah, as I said, I'm probably going to put this on incorrectly. I think it goes like this. Yep. Just like that. And then, let me see. I think it's like, yeah, I think it's like, not like that. Hang on, let me think about this, guys. We gotta take the L here. Ooh. Oh. So like this. And then, I'm not sure, actually. And this actually just came off. Rip the gym on that, bro. Alright. I'm about to figure this out, guys. Okay, I think it's the other way around, actually. This magnetic. That's what I was saying the word. That's the word, guys. Magnetic. Oh my god. Dude, this magnet is like crazy. Yeah, I'm not sure how this exactly works. Guessing like this, and then like that. And then this is what I'm guessing, guys. That I might be completely incorrect. That's upside down too. Bro, guys, I'm not having a fantastic day right now with my luck in this. So I'm guessing like this. And then it just does. Not a two-hand job, bro. This is a two-handed job. So like that. Like that. And there we are. So that's what it looks like. Now this top one didn't snap into place. Well, this bottom one didn't snap into place. So I gotta make sure I'm doing that correctly. I might readjust that, but that's what it looks like, guys. Actually beautiful. Comparably to this bad boy right here. Still a very, very beautiful device. We're gonna do a review of this eventually and take a look at it even more in detail than I already did in this video. But still very awesome. And make sure I'm actually, oh, there we go. It's supposed to go like that. And already is turning on. All right. So I think it's like, yeah, exactly like that. There we go. See, we're figuring it out, guys. Figuring it out. Okay. I think it's going to tell me to pair it with my iPhone. So I'm probably going to have to pair it, but that's what it looks like, guys. Cool, cool, cool. Tell me all your thoughts and opinions, guys, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.